How's it? You can see?
Yeah, but it has the status thing.
I see. Hey, hey, hey! What's good, my friends? Oh, how you guys doing? Today we're gonna be doing a little something different. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We get Sarah and I, and we're in our car, and we are facing the Archie Baker Mini Park. And so this is at the base of the tent list, and yeah, what's going on is we actually get goggles for both of us now. So my goggles is sending a signal over to transmitting or broadcasting the image to Sarah, so she can see what we're doing or what we're flying. And yeah, let's get into it. This is our first time using the dual goggles, and we are flying the DJI Neo, and we're using the Motion Controller 3. So something real light and easy to fly theoretically. So let's go. Let's check this out. It is was windy, is windy. So we're gonna be careful. Alright. Looks clear. Let's cross the street. So this is our first time flying here at Archie. What? Archie Baker? What did I say?
Archie Bunk.
I know. That's what I was thinking. Oh, cool. They get like a mini garden over here. What's the sign say? Kukui. Oh, I guess the different types of plants here, obviously. Yeah. So there people go to bring their dogs. Yeah. It's that.
Okay.
So I guess.
Go down. Don't go down there. Hey!
Oh, this is pretty neat. What I was about to say is, I think our concern is the reception, being that there's trees, which can affect.
Hey! Stop it!
But yeah, I guess it's working out as far as
Quiet!
my theory that because it was wind
Quiet!
that coming here would be a good idea. Alright. Ooh.
That's scary.
I'm sorry.
Maybe not. That is
Did I check? Oh, yeah.
Stop!
Yeah, so just to be honest with you guys, my heart is pumping. Just cause. We'll keep it low. Hopefully that'll help with the wind. So far so good. Woo! So yeah, here we are. This is my intentions. Like, as far as I want to share the experience with others, and yeah, Sarah's our first co-pilot. Oh shucks. Wonder how the transmission is gonna be around this. Maybe I shouldn't fly in here. I could get barbed wire. just in case. Oh, okay. Red means no reception.
Oh crap.
Yeah. Right back. Oh man, talk about anxiety. Breathe through my nose. Oh yeah, it's super windy. Woo! DJI Neo, that's the only thing about it. It's such a good, well-rounded drone. Unfortunately, it is susceptible to high winds, and that's because it's such a light drone coming in at 135 grams. Yeah, we'll just take it slow and easy. I didn't realize that was a cruise spot for some people. You seen the people on the right hand side?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the people that
Yeah.
came out of that car next to us. It'll make them nervous.
Oh
babe.
shit! I didn't realize they're there. Shit, I don't know if the drone is shaking because of the wind or shaking because of me.
Scary.
I know.
Oh, don't.
That's why we here. Thrill seeking.
What if we have no reception?
Well, we would get the warning at the bottom of the screen, yeah, at least with the yellow. Wow, beautiful. Oh, we are deep.
Scary.
I know. We'll turn around.
Yes.
Ooh. I know. My heart is racing. Because I don't feel like hiking down into the ravine. Whew. We're at 57% battery. I would be a little bit more calm if it wasn't for the wind. Oh, we got a cloak over here. Oh, how's that biker? Ripping.
Make sure you avoid any cars.
Yeah, let's look both ways. Okay, clear. Okay, let's cross. I hear a car, no? Oh. Okay, get across the street. Woo! It's gonna be a really short video, huh?
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. Let's bring it down. Yeah, this is us parked, and let's bring down a window. This is gonna be a real short video, huh? Okay.
Oh,
So this is it. This is the DJI Neo. This is what we're flying. You can take your goggles off. How was it?
it was good. It was exhilarating.
Oh, really?
It's just too bad that, yeah, just like you, I'm nervous with the winds and the reception.
Yeah.
So.
High five. Oh, what was that?
Phone.
Yeah. Goggles N3, DJI Neo, motion controller, and now we're flying from the comfort of our vehicle. And yeah, you guys can do that too. Maybe we can do them together. You guys pick up a set from eBay. Maybe I'll leave a link to let me know in the comments if you guys want the link to eBay to get this kit. That's basically, this is what you'll get: the controller, the DJI Neo, one pair of goggles, and then the extra batteries like this. Oh, 3-pack. Yeah. Thank you for cruising. We keep it short just cause yeah, I was scared. We'll talk. We'll see what happens next. Thank you for cruising.